Goat farming in the United States is a versatile and profitable venture. Goats can provide meat, milk, and fiber, such as cashmere and mohair, which can be transformed into valuable products, giving small farms economic stability. Goat milk is easy to digest and highly nutritious. It is rich in calcium, vitamin D, and phosphorus, supporting heart and bone health. It may also help reduce high fat and cholesterol levels. Goat meat, too, stands out as a lean, protein-rich option. Compared to beef or lamb, it contains fewer calories and less fat, while offering high nutritional value. Goats are extremely efficient browsers. They can consume tough vegetation, thorny bushes, dry weeds, and even invasive or toxic plants. Because of this, they play a complementary role in land management, helping with pasture conservation and even wildfire control. As a result, American farmers can benefit from raising goats in many ways: nutritious food sources, milk and meat, high-quality fiber products such as cashmere, natural land management and clearing, and additional streams of income. All of this is possible with limited land and relatively low costs, making goat farming a sustainable and rewarding choice for small-scale producers.